Chapter 15 Water Lesson View Sources of Water Storage of Water How Water Becomes Dirty Be Water Wise Water is our basic need to live. It is used for various purposes such as drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, etc. Plants use water to make their food. Most of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but very less water is suitable for our use. Water dissolves many substances in it, but not all. Dirt, mud, and germs make the water unfit to use. They are called impurities. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Some rainwater flows into the rivers. Some rainwater collects in the lakes and the ponds. Some rainwater seeps through the soil and gets collected as groundwater. In villages, wells and hand pumps are dug to use the groundwater. In cities and towns, water is stored in big tanks. The water stored in the tanks reaches the houses through pipelines. At home, we get water through the taps. Teaching tips. Explain the children about the different sources of water. Discuss about the different habits that can be adopted by us to save water. Storage of water. Water is very important for all of us. We should store water whenever we can to use it in future. Water can be stored in tanks, buckets, and drums. How water becomes dirty. During rains, the rainwater traps dust and germs from the air. People also wash clothes in rivers and ponds and make it dirty. At many places, people throw garbage in the water bodies and make it dirty. Dirty water is unfit for drinking. It can make us ill. Diseases like cholera and dysentery are caused by drinking dirty water. The water that we drink should be clean. Boiling water kills most of the germs. We should boil the water and cool it before drinking. Nowadays, we have water filters at our home. It kills most of the disease-causing germs and makes the water fit for drinking. Be water wise. We should store drinking water in clean vessels, and vessels should always be kept well covered. We should never waste water. There are many villages in India which hardly get any water to drink. We can save water in the following ways. We should never leave the tap open while brushing, bathing, and washing clothes. We should turn off the tap after every use. We should use a bucket and mug to water the plants or for washing the car instead of using a pipe. Fact file. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collecting and storing rainwater. This rainwater is then used by people for other purpose. Key terms. Seeps, flowing slowly into the ground. Cholera, a disease caused by drinking dirty water. Dysentery, a disease caused by drinking dirty water. Summing up. We use water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes and utensils. Plants use water to make their food. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater that seeps into the ground forms groundwater. Diseases like cholera and dysentery are caused by drinking dirty water. Filtered and boiled water is safe for drinking. We should never waste water.